Hey, YouTube creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got a quick and easy tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to add thumbnails to your YouTube videos using your iPhone. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the YouTube Studio app on your iPhone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to grab it from the App Store. Once you're in the YouTube Studio app, then go to the Content tab. At the bottom of screen, select the video you want to add a thumbnail to. Now, and you'll be taken to the video details page. Here, tap on the pencil button. Now you will see video details section, and you'll find the thumbnail option. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of suggested thumbnails. However, for a custom thumbnail, tap on Change. Select the thumbnail image you want and tap Select. After adding your custom thumbnail, then hit the Save button to apply the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom thumbnail to your YouTube video using your iPhone and the YouTube Studio app. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe for more helpful content.